Hey guys, Ivan here on the Missouri Agitator channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a Palomar knot. I use this a lot in catfishing and lure fishing too. I use a Palomar quite a bit. Okay, first thing you're going to do is get you a lot of access, make you a loop. Run that loop through the eye, like so. Loop it again, and bring this loop back here, back through this big opening, like that. Now what you're going to do is you've got a loop like so. You're going to bring this, put the hook back through here. Just grab it like that. Wet this with your mouth. And I've made all these loops and stuff much bigger so you can tell what's going on. When you start tying this, you'll get the hang of it, and it ties fast. Okay, now what you'll do is just start pulling everything taut. Trim your tag. There you go. Palomar knot. Like I say, I use this on a lot of different rigs. I'm going to tie up some rigs here in a minute. Going to do some bottom rigs and some float rigs, zero rigs, Santee rig and stuff like that. Stuff that I use when I'm out catfishing. I'll tie some up, and this knot will be incorporated into some of them. So. Alright, if you like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you want. But definitely the subscribe button, you know, like YouTube's putting all of us little guys, trying to put us all out of the picture because we're not getting the subscribers and we're not getting the watch time, you know, that the big guys are. So us little guys just got to keep doing it because we like to do it. So, alright guys, that's Palomar knot.